The hidden face. One of the biggest problems in determining the presence of child abuse is the fact much of it goes unnoticed and/or unreported. This can be for a number of reasons, some of which are: children rarely report abuse themselves, as from their perspective, what the adult subjects them to is normal. This is due to the fact that children often have little or no life experience with which to compare the behavior, and thus understand its inappropriateness. It is only once they grow up, they realize that certain behavior towards them was wrong. Abuse rarely happens in the open and is, therefore, unseen. It is often delivered under a veil of secrecy, with the child encouraged and even forced to accept and continue the secrecy. Third parties will often not accept that abuse is taking place. On occasions, even if a child reports abuse by a family member to another family member, there is usually a reluctance to believe the child and accept that abuse could possibly be taking place. It can be very difficult to detect the signs of an abused child. A good indicator, however, are the warning signs that an abuser gives away through inappropriate behavior. Being aware of this kind of behavior can help in recognizing a child that may be at risk. While not all abusive adults will show the same behavior signs or display similar tendencies, if several behavioral warning signs are present, there is a strong chance that abuse may be taking place. In general, the more signs that are present, the greater the likelihood of violence or harm. In some cases, an abusive adult will demonstrate only a couple of behavioral warning signs that can be recognized, but these signs are often very exaggerated. For example, being excessively jealous over silly things. Often, an abuser will try to explain his/her behavior as an indication of his/her love and concern.